I'm Rusty Ames. I'm with Tops Markets, and I'm here today to talk a little bit about some grilling tips and techniques to enjoy your backyard Taste of Buffalo at home presented by Tops this year. We all know this year has been a bit of a challenge, so we're going to try and show you some different ideas and different techniques that you can use at home buying your product here. Everything that you can see here at Tops Market. Right now I've got some nice back ribs on the grill. And what you want to do when you start off, you want to make sure your grill is nice and hot. Keep it nice and warm, but always keep it cool side too, just in case you have flare-ups or something that you can move the product over so it doesn't get burned. I've also got some nice burgers, shish kebabs, strip steaks. I got a few clams that I'm going to throw on the grill. Just give you some different ideas on different times and you know, whether you want direct heat, indirect heat, all these little tips and tricks that can make your backyard barbecue a success. Okay, talking about different cooking times for different proteins that you might have. Like right now I'm going to put some little neck clams on the grill. Little neck clams obviously will open right up once they're cooked. So you can put them on different parts of the grill, whether it's hot or the cooler side of the grill, depending on when you want everything ready. So on these, I'm just going to put them a little bit higher on the grill, not directly on the meat, up top. And you don't have to season these at all. And as they open up, they'll give a nice appearance. It'll show really nice, you know. Put some butter sometimes on it. I've also got some chicken shish kebabs that I'm going to put on. And these here you want more of an indirect heat so you don't overcook the vegetables. That's the worst part about shish kebab is when the vegetables are overcooked. So you want to do these a little bit lower and slower. So with the chicken, you want to make sure that you're cooked to 165 degrees. So these will go right down on the warmer part of the grill. And you'll want to turn those about every 5 minutes or so. Get some nice grill marks on there. Turn them every 5 minutes or so. And just close that for a little bit. And a nice trick with the meat is the grill will tell you when it's ready to turn. If it's still sticking, it's not ready to turn. It'll actually release itself real nice. See how that's coming off real nice? And you can turn that to the other side. If it's sticking, it's not fully seared in there yet. So make sure that you want to turn that. Give it a quarter turn. It'll give you, so you can get the browning on all sides. On these back ribs that I started earlier, I did them with the bone side down. You can see the bone is nicely coming in dark now. So we're just going to turn those over right now. And they will start to flame up a little bit because now the fat is down on the grill. So we'll just keep our eye on them and we'll get some steaks going on the grill. Got some nice strip steaks here. The strip is very, very versatile. It comes from the center part of the cow. So the muscle is not used as much. It's probably the most popular grilling steak in this area anyway. And these will go right down on the meat as well. And these here we're going to want to quarter turn them about 5 minutes or so in. Again, the meat will tell us when it's ready. Now that they've been on there for a little bit, we're going to season them up. And you can season them however you like. I just go with basic salt and pepper. Not everybody likes the warmer stuff. Get right down in there. And then while we're right here, we're going to throw some burgers on. The burgers, again, you want to cook to 165 degrees, but they will flame up a little bit more. The fat is within the meat itself. It's chopped up real fine, so it's going to melt out a lot faster. So you want to keep your eye on these. I've got some 85% lean burgers, 15% fat in them. They don't flame up quite as bad as one of your frozen burgers, but You just want to make sure, and again, keep a cool spot on your grills, just in case you have some flare-ups. On these steaks, we're going to give these a quarter turn. As you can see, we got some nice grill marks on there, so just give them a quarter turn. And then you get some nice cross-hatching on them. The last 10 or 15 years I've been down at the Taste of Buffalo Grilling. You may have seen me out there. I get right out and I really enjoy cooking for people. I am not a trained chef by any means, but I do enjoy cooking, and I cook for tens of thousands of you at the different festivals and events around the country. As you can see, the clams are starting to open now. They will open up a little bit farther yet. They're starting to open right up and cook real nice. We'll just flip them over real quick, get a nice heat on the other side so they open evenly. Our back rib is coming in really nice. You can see some nice grill marks on there now. And the chicken, we'll give that another quarter turn. And see how this steak comes right off? That means it's ready to flip. On the burgers, we're going to give them a quarter turn as well. And you can see they release. As long as they release from the grill, you're ready to turn them. Season everything up again. That I did not talk about was the heat on the grill. A lot of grills will have a temperature gauge on them. Oftentimes they don't work. For most meats, you want it about medium temperature. You can hold your hand above the flame for about 5 seconds before it really gets too hot. That's good temperature. That's around 400 degrees. We can see here the flame is starting to come up around the burgers now because of the fat that is going down in there. So we'll move those to a cooler part of the grill. Prevent any flare-ups.